Good morning. Today we're coming to check out one of our owner's brand new remodels out here in Seven Hills. The address is 1533 Sabatini Drive. I think you'll be excited to see this. Look at this beautiful kitchen on this island. We got vinyl plank floors, quartz countertops, brand new custom cabinets. It's tough getting those in with the logistic issues going on right now. Undermount steel sink, new fixtures, brand new stovetop, steel appliances. Pantry. Modern backsplash. Garden window. Fireplace. Nice little office or bedroom, downstairs guest bedroom. We're thinking about installing a door here. Does have a window in the closet. Downstairs pump. Downstairs 3/4 bathroom. Does have a shower in here. Very convenient. Laundry room, nice sink, custom cabinets, and your garage. As when you walk into the garage, it's very big. It's actually a 3-car tandem garage. Yeah, it's oversized, even in the 2-car area. Pretty cool. Let's check out the main suite. Nice big bedroom. And a fitting, nice big closet.